guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in this video we are going to talk about hair care. So the summer is here and my hair is already dry and I need something for my hair to maintain it basically, and I don't like to use many products. I like to use some products so that I can use them daily, I can use them easily, and also I have to use heat sometimes on my hair, but I don't like to use it because it makes my hair more drier. So it's a must-have for me to use a really good conditioning product for my hair. So I recently got this Garnier Fructis hair shampoo and this hair food, which is basically a 3-in-1 hair mask. So I have been using this for a while now and I am ready to review it. So yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching. So in this Garnier Fructis range there are so many options for everyone, and I choose this banana mask because I have dry and damaged hair. So this is the banana variant and it is specially made for dry and damaged hair. So I choose this one, and also banana is really good for the hair as we all know, and also it has 98% natural ingredients, which is great. So and also it is silicone free and paraben free product, which is so I have really dry hair, especially my hair ends, as you can see that it's like dry, damaged, dull, but after using this product I have been seeing some results. As you can see that I have not used any product on my hair, it's naturally air dry, as you can see that. So yeah, you can tell that I am loving this product. So first of all, let's talk about this shampoo. So this is the banana hair food shampoo. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It is so freaking cute. This comes in a plastic bottle like this. I love the packaging, though it looks like a fruit juice packaging, but no, it's a shampoo and the shampoo is clear. It don't have any color to it, which is great. And also the smell of this shampoo is like banana flavored, not too strong. It is a little bit strong in the bottle, but when you are using this on the shower it miles down obviously. But I really love a thing about this shampoo is this: it's color free first of all, and also it cleans my hair squeaky clean and don't make my hair super dry. So if I am skipping the conditioner, it's fine. So yeah, I really love this shampoo. By the way, I really recommend this shampoo. Next up we have this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Banana Hair Food, which is basically a mask, and you're getting a full tub of it, which is great. And I have been using this for a while now. As you can see that it is almost finished, and this is like a thick cream and it smells delicious, like delicious. It smells like heaven. I love this smell. I really love this smell. So the thing is, I really love this about this mask is you can use this in various ways. I love to use this in 3 ways basically. So you can use this after a shampoo, after your hair wash, as a conditioner. So you have to grab a little bit and apply it to your wet hair after shampoo, and then leave it for like 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it with some water. And it makes your hair super duper smooth, super duper healthy looking, gorgeous hair. And also you can use it as a mask, which I personally love to use because I love to use banana hair mask. I DIY'd some banana and like literally apply on my hair, but the thing is I don't use it anymore because banana hair masks are really messy, and because I have like really long hair, the banana particles stuck into my hair and that makes a task for me, so I don't use it anymore. So but I'm grateful that Garnier made this mask, like banana mask, because I can use this as many time as I want, and also anytime I want. So basically I love to use it as a mask. So you have to apply it to your wet hair after shampoo and conditioner, and leave it for a few minutes. I love to use it for like 10 to 15 minutes and like chill. Then you have to rinse it with some water and you are good to go. And also the third way to use this hair mask is a leave-in conditioner. So you have to apply this on your wet or dry hair. I love to use it on my damp hair. You have to use a pea-size amount of this and apply it on your hair, especially on the lengths of the hair, especially in the lengths and also in the hair ends, because that is the most dry part in your hair. Yes, so yeah, definitely I recommend this Garnier Fructis Hair Food hair mask because it is a gem product for me, and I really love this because I have dry hair. It makes my hair a lot more smoother, a lot more frizz-free. So yeah, I really love this and also recommend this hair product because you are getting this huge tub in such a affordable price. Yes, so yeah, you have to definitely try them out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous. Bye bye.